I take a moment just to acknowledge all of the things that you're achieving in your day, in your week, in your month. If you think about it, think about all those plates you've got spinning at the moment. So you own a business and you front up every day to put the energy in to keep that business successful, to keep it viable, to keep it doing what it's doing, to service the community that you service. That's amazing. But look at what else you are doing. You're putting energy into a relationship. You're putting energy into parenting. You are juggling the role of mother, father, brother or sister, or all of those things. All of the energy that you put into being you is what makes you so unique, so incredible. And of course that's why you're so tired. Of course that's why you feel overwhelmed sometimes. Of course that's why some days you just struggle to find the motivation to do the extra things. So when I'm talking to you about promoting your business, getting your message out there, putting yourself in front of a camera, talking to an audience, building up the presence and the profile of your business, I know I'm asking a lot of you. I know that it's hard for you. I know you get nervous, you get scared, you're worried about judgment, you're worried about criticism, all of those things that we worry about. And I know you're tired. This is why I encourage you to do a number of things. This is why I encourage you to charge or set your fees or your prices in your business at a level that is sustainable, so that you don't have to work so bloody hard just to pay the bills. This is why I encourage you to do simple things. Now, you could spend a lot of time building up your social media profile. It can be super time consuming. Now, you can break that down into two solutions. One, delegate, or two, live stream. Because a live stream costs you nothing. It gets you out there, so your client base, your audience gets to know you, gets to like you, gets to trust you. It is 2 minutes out of your day, and you can do that every day. You can do it every week. Please do it regularly. Do it consistently. The reason I recommend you do that, the reason I recommend you communicate with your audience in this way, is it's simple. Once you get over the fear, just get over the fear, and it is a simple thing for you to do to get your business's message out there. It's one less big job on your to-do list that you juggle every single day. It's why I encourage you to delegate wherever you can, because you're already doing too much. I know you are, because I've been there, I've done that, I've done all the things. I've felt that I couldn't delegate, I've felt that I couldn't let go, because if I did, it wouldn't be done properly, all of those things. Yes, you've put all the energy into your business. Yes, it's your reputation on the line. And yes, it will all come to naught if you burn out or blow up. I don't want that for you either. So delegate. Start with something small and build up. Build trust. Give people a job to do and trust that they will do it. If they don't do it perfectly, or if they don't do it the way you would do it, that doesn't mean it's a bad job and you can't trust ever again. Okay. So here I am at the cinema today. Today is a Wednesday when this is my homeschooling excursion day. I'm juggling everything just like you. I don't have a simple, straightforward, easy, slick life, because nobody does. We're all in it together. We are all pushing it uphill some days, and we are all being as many things to as many people as we can. But think about how you can structure your week to make things simple. Think about how you can change some things in your business so that you can afford to pull back a little bit, so you've got some more time, because time is your gold. Time is more valuable than anything else when you run a business. So free up some time by charging accordingly, charging appropriately, charging your worth. I talk about it all the time, and I still see people arguing against it. So stop that and just do it. It's not hard. Just set your fees. It is what it is. Next time the phone rings, this is your fee. Just do it. Delegate where you can. Structure your week. So set time aside in your diary for certain things so that they get done. So I know for me to go through my email list is a job at the end of the day when I've got no energy for anything else. I will sit down with my laptop. And this is why if you email me, it can take quite a while to get a response because I do it at the end of the day. And if I've got sick kids or tired kids or grumpy kids, they're the priority. Email comes last. So structure your day in a way that supports you to maximize your energy for the things that take up the most energy from you, and put the things that you can do in front of the telly or in the 5 minutes between meetings or while you're in the car or on the train, put them somewhere else in your diary. So structure that time too. So think about this. Think about all of the things that you've achieved. Think about all of the things that you do achieve every day. Stop focusing you're dropping. We all drop balls. We all have plates spinning and occasionally one falls and smashes. It's okay. You're a human being just like the rest of us. So allow yourself the grace of stepping back, give yourself a good look in the mirror and say, wow, look at what I actually manage to achieve each day and still run a business and still be a parent and still be a human being and still be a partner and a pet owner and a gardener and a grocery shopper and this, that and the other. Pat yourself on the back. It's okay. You're allowed to do that. You're allowed to be proud of yourself. So your job today is to go away, have a think about that, have a think about all of the things that you're juggling, marveling at how you manage to do that, and then allowing yourself a little bit of breathing space for the days when you just can't get the motivation. Notice why you're tired. Notice what you could possibly tweak or change, and then maybe put those things into action. And who knows, you might actually start to love yourself a little bit more and give yourself a little bit more space to be. Have an awesome day.